Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at that Husqvarna 272 XP chainsaw, 72 cc's. This one features a 24-inch barn chain. That's a sprocket nose bar. When you talk about a sprocket nose, it's actually a sprocket in the tip of that bar, and it is replaceable. And that's a skip sequence, and skip is the spacing between the teeth with a chisel configuration on the tooth. Very fast cutting chain. We'll take a close-up look at some of the features this saw has. Kill switch is right here on the left. Chokes on the right. Has the operator presence lever, always a nice feature on these saws. Won't throttle up unless your hand's in place, and then you can hit that trigger and throttle up. Does have a throttle lock. You squeeze both of these and then pull this upper lever back. That locks the trigger at about a quarter throttle. Easier starting. Hit the trigger and it comes back to an idle. Side load on your gas reservoir and the oil reservoir. Wrapped handlebars. Working chain brake. Has two falling spikes. Decompression valve right here. Push that blue button in every time you get ready to start the saw. It pops out automatically. To adjust the tensioner, you loose the two bar nuts up. Right on the inside by this dog here is your tensioner. Just a very nice cutting firewood saw.